Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm currently filming on my sofa because I feel like complete crap, and I'm literally just sat here underneath a blanket feeling sorry for myself. But I have had a really lucky week. I've won a giveaway and I've also won a raffle. So today I've got my raffle prize here that I wanted to show you. It's from M&M Nail Supplies. So this raffle was for all of their new glitter mixes that they've got. It was like £2 a ticket. I bought 2 tickets with my lucky numbers, number 19 and number 23, and luckily my number came through. There was 2 winners and I happened to be one of them, so I'm feeling very lucky, very happy and so thankful for this because I feel like crap and I really needed a little pick me up this week. So in here I've got all of the new glitter mixes from M&M Nail Art Supplies. I've talked about them in the recent video which I will link up here. But yeah, I thought I'd show you all of their new glitter mixes that I won in their raffle. I've never won a raffle. I feel so lucky because like I'm one of those people that loves buying scratch cards. I love entering raffles, giveaways, and I like to try my luck. And unfortunately I'm not a very lucky person, but this week I've been very lucky because I've won a giveaway and I've also won a raffle. So I'm really happy. I really needed it this week. But yeah, I'm going to crack on. I'm going to show you guys what I've got. I absolutely love the fact I got some Christmas paper with it. It did make me laugh. I was a bit confused when this arrived in Christmas paper, but I love it. It's so cute. But yeah, I'm going to crack on now and show you guys what I've got. So I got 22 glitter mixes and they all come in sleeves as well, which is so good because I can just put them into my folder and not have to find space for them. So I'm really happy about that. But yeah, like I said, I've got 22 glitter mixes here, which is just incredible. It literally cost me £4 for this raffle and I've got all this glitter, so I'm literally so happy. Okay, so this is the first one that I got. It's called Twilight. As you can see, it's like a very sort of silver colour with also a lot of sort of rainbow speckles in it. It's absolutely gorgeous. There's literally so many colours in there. And then we got this one here which I'm absolutely obsessed with. It's called Berries and it's sort of a very like pinky reddy sort of cherry colour, but it's also very holographic as well. So it's like ultra colourful, ultra pretty, and it's just such a beautiful glitter. Definitely up there and one of my favourites. I think it's gorgeous. And then we have this one here called Quicksand, which is sort of kind of like a fool's gold sort of colour. And it's got quite a lot of purples, greens, blues. I think it's holographic. You can see quite a lot of it. It's definitely got a good colour shift to it. So it's like a fool's gold colour, sort of holographic speckles in there. And again, it's just really pretty. I absolutely love this one. It's called Stardust. And obviously you can see why. It's got loads of little multicoloured stars inside of it with like a white sort of iridescent fine glitter. I think you got a few like chunkier bits of glitter in there as well, but super pretty. And yeah, it's definitely one of my favourites from this collection. And then we've got a pink holographic called Twinkle Toes, just sort of an ultra fine sort of like almost rose gold sort of coloured pink holographic glitter. Absolutely gorgeous, really love that one. Then we've got this one here called Goldie Rocks. Again, it's sort of like a fool's gold colour, but it's got quite a lot of sort of red and other colours in there. But again, it's really gorgeous, really different, and yeah, I look forward to using that. And then here we have Glantic. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's a gorgeous sapphire blue. But again, it's very holographic. It's got quite a lot of purple in there as well, and green. It's definitely very colour shifting. But yeah, I really like that one. I do love blue glitters, so I cannot wait to use that one. And then we have this one here called Tinkerbell. I've been really needing some more green glitters, and I don't have any glitters that resemble this at all, so I'm really happy about this. It's sort of like a very light green. It's definitely got a very good sparkle to it. I know it's not showing up too great on camera, but it's kind of iridescent. It's just a really fine, very light green. But yeah, I really love that one. And here we have Rainbow Rose, Like, we all know that cameras do not show up holographic very well, but look at that. Like, the holographic in that is absolutely incredible, and I love this. I'm literally so impressed at how holographic that is. Absolutely stunning. And then we have this one here called Elsa, a very, very, very light blue iridescent, and it does look like it has some minor shards in there too. Absolutely gorgeous, and I think the name for it is absolutely perfect. This one here I think is another one of my favourites. It's called Poison Ivy, and it's a very greeny bluey sort of, again it's sort of almost holographic, but I don't know, it's just very greeny bluey, absolutely gorgeous, so different, and I'm absolutely in love with that. And again, another one of my favourites that I really cannot wait to use, called Abscess. It's a lot of like purples, blues, greens, blacks. It's quite dark, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I just love the colours, they just go so well together. I think it's absolutely stunning, and I really can't wait to use that one for sure. And then we have this one called Poison, which is sort of like pinky purples and blacks. Really, really, really pretty. I really love the colours in that one. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And then we have Sandstorm, which is a very sandy colour. It's also very holographic. I really do love how holographic their glitters really are. We've got Ice Gel, which is just sort of a white one with some chunkier sort of silver white bits in. Absolutely gorgeous. So you can do so much of this sort of glitter mix. So I'm sure you'll see me using that one quite often. We've got Pink Diamond, which is a very fine sort of white glitter with a lot of like pink and green sort of tones to it. Very pretty. And then we've got Diamond, which again is sort of like a silvery white sort of ultra fine glitter. Again, it's another one you can do so much with. Super cute. And we have Diva, which is a very sort of coppery colour with holographic. And then we have Tiara, which is another one where the holographic is like absolutely incredible. It's hard to actually see what sort of colour that really is. It's sort of like silvery, coppery, pinky, purpley. I don't really know, it's so holographic, it's hard to tell. But I really like that one, it's really, really, really nice. And then we have Spellbound, which is absolutely gorgeous colour purple. Very creamy. Again, it's really, really, really pretty. Another purple one called Tutu. Absolutely love that shade of purple as well. And then last but not least, we have Seashells, which again is quite holographic. It's very sort of like coppery, rose goldy sort of colour again. I will forever be grateful for winning this. I really did need to pick me up this week, and this has certainly been it. So thank you so much to both of the Michelles. If you haven't, check out M&M Nail Art Supplies on Facebook. I will put their link down in the description box below. Unfortunately, they don't ship worldwide, it's only UK only. But if you're in the UK, definitely check them out. These are all of their glitter mixes that are now available on their Facebook to buy. All fantastic prices. So yeah, definitely check them out. They're absolutely fantastic. And I love every single one of these glitters. I think my favourites probably are the Abscess, the Poison Ivy, and Berries, and Stardust, and probably Tiara. I just love them all. I think they're all great. I can't wait to use them, and I'm literally just so happy. So thank you again. Let me know down in the comments below which was your favourite. I'd love to know. But yeah, anyway, like and subscribe everyone. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm sorry about my filming situation. Like I said, I'm poorly, but I wanted to film this to get this out so I can show you guys. I'm so thankful. I can't even explain how thankful I am to win something like this. Like I said, I enter loads of stuff. I do scratch cards like all the time, and I don't win nothing. I'm just not a lucky person like that. So to win this really, really has made my week. I'm literally so happy. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone. Much love, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.